Hi guys, good morning. So, it's Saturday and damang-dama ko na talaga yung rest day. So, anyway guys, samahan nyo ako guys pumunta sa work. So, outfit check muna tayo guys. So, punta na tayo guys sa work. So, let's go guys. So, nandito na ako sa work guys. So, actually katatapos ko lang din mag-breakfast. So, mag-work lang muna ako guys. And dyan lang muna kayo. So, stay tuned guys. So, yan guys. So, working kasi sobrang dami pang work na kailangan tapusin. So, anyway guys, wag niyo muna pansinin yung katawan ko kasi sobrang taba ka na talaga. Pero anyway guys, that's part of life. Charot. So, yan guys, dyan lang muna kayo guys and tatapusin ko lang yung work ko. So, stay tuned guys. So, ayan guys, at bigla ako nagutom. So, as usual, buti na lang kasi sa drawer ko maraming food na naka-prepare. So, anyway guys, kumakain ako ng nips today. So, please excuse din also kasi sobrang ingay ng background guys. Kasi yung electric fan na ginagamit ko is sobrang maingay. And then, yung old electric fan ko kasi is nasira. So, yung ginagamit ko is kila mama. So, kailangan kong bumili ng bago. So, yan, share ka lang. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo kasi still working pa rin ako. So, yan. Stay tuned guys. So, yan guys, pauwi na ako. So, while waiting kay Nick, biglang nagkaroon ng parade dito sa labas ng office namin. So, it's a Pride month. So, sobrang ganda kasi sobrang gaganda ng mga views nila. Actually, this is from San Policarpo National High School and sobrang linis, sobrang cute. So, yun, while waiting, nanonood lang muna ako ng parade. So, yun guys. So, yan guys, nakita ko pala yung classmate ni Nick. So, sobrang ganda talaga ni Vina. So, yan, share ka lang. So, yan guys, after parade, diretso na kami umuwi ng bahay. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!